I got my boy Gene. Finally got the hatch out. And it should look nice. Damn, that shit do look nice. It's just the hatch, bro. The hatch in general just fucking looks so good. We gotta take pictures of this shit. Alright, we got gas. Not bad. 78%, not bad, not bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to the mall now and see what this little meat thing is about. We got to little, I think it's Bubba and cars or some shit like that, but people are just pulling up now, so we're waiting on some food. We're gonna get some food and see how it gets. We get some reels and shit before we dip. Little meat.
Conservative, like conservative.
Nice little cool meat. There's Norm's RX-7, I believe. I think RX-8. I forgot which one this is. Cool. Got a KEF over there. Oh damn! From the cops?
No, car hit and run. Motherfuckers hit me, nigga, broke my neck.
Damn, my back, he's stressed out right now. Oh, he gets a little thing though.
I'm like, we're standing over there and shit.
Blue carbon fiber.
Damn, homie was just at a stop sign and just ran right into him. Damn. Man, this thing is crazy. Turbo S2K, shit is clean. Another Turbo S2K. Sheesh. Now he's the original owner to this too. This is crazy. Original owner to the EM1. We left the meet, did a nice little poo. Fucking everything fell off on this car. Everything fell. Damn, I lost a piece of the back piece of this. Yeah, everything went all over the place. literally what it's like having a Honda. You start losing everything. Dude, this is hilarious. This shit went. I don't even know where that piece went now. Oh wow. But yeah, I'm gonna stop real quick, get something from the store, and then head home. Probably gonna add a little bit to this video because we didn't really do much today. It's chill little meet. Alright guys, just got back home, and just wanted to let you guys know. I don't know if you guys know, I am officially sponsored by Adams, and I'll be using their ceramic spray, their graphene ceramic spray, and you guys see, it's pouring outside. Like the car is completely wet. Car is all wet. It's currently still raining outside. You guys can see, right? So I've been using this ceramic graphene detail spray, so it contains ceramic like resins. It's not full ceramic. This lasts about like 10 washes. I used this like maybe about a week ago, dude, and it is literally the truth. So I got like, they sent me like color foam, all-purpose interior detailing, bro. Interior, exterior too. The car shampoo. This is the tire dressing that I use too. The graphene tire dressing, ceramic resins also. It's not super glossy. It gives it like a satin look. I have the wax in the car right now, over there. Let me just show you guys something real quick. Mind you, this car is not ceramic coated. It's like the paint is not the best. The paint, well, the paint is good. I guess the clear is not as bad. The car is maybe like a 6 out of 10. I just want to show you guys something real quick. Look how good this works. First of all, the beads are insane. Look at those beads. But just look at this. How that just goes off. Fully dry. No need to do anything. Look at this. Gone. Fully dry. Dude, this thing is the truth. Look at the roof. Dude. Best thing ever. Go get you guys one of those. Amazing. Literally amazing. I got picked up by them, I would say, it's like, maybe a couple weeks ago, maybe like 3 weeks ago, somewhere around there. So I haven't really posted much, so you guys didn't really know, but yeah, they sent me out some stuff, and the product is amazing. You guys can see for yourself. So yeah, I'm officially sponsored by Adams, and thanks to you guys, for the support and everything. We're able to get these deals and stuff like that. So I'm honestly just gonna water off the rest of the car, so it doesn't have any water spots on it. With the graphene, you don't get water spots. Actually, that's what the graphene is for. It's regular ceramic coating, and they have the graphene. That's for like when the water dries on it, it won't leave spots on the ceramic. But I still want to, air it out, just so it can be fully dry. It was just raining. Look at the car, completely dry. This thing is amazing. Anyways, appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm not sure what the next vlog is gonna be. But yeah, we'll figure something out. Keep you guys updated. Boats enjoy. Peace out.